Good afternoon, all of you. I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Still 50% students are remaining to join the class. Put the message on your group so my student can join. After 3:50, I am going to log the meeting. After that, I will not allow anyone to enter in the class. Put the message like this. Okay. So we wait for a minute. After that, we are going to start the class. Okay. Share, put the message. Share it there. BR,
Yes, sir.
put the message.
Okay.
Okay. I'm audible to all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about my screen? It is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Yesterday I have given one task. What is that? Anyone remember? What is that? Can anyone remember? Shraddha, Shubhakti,
Yes.
what is that task?
Revision on this topic.
Right. So I have assigned someone. Who is this?
Yes, sir.
कौन? हाँ, प्रगति. Can you revise whatever we have seen in yesterday?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Class C power amplifier in that introduction, advantages, disadvantages, and drawback.
Very good. So class C amplifier. Okay. So in class C amplifier, what is the output of that? Or transistor? How was the biasing of the transistor? Can anybody? Am I audible to all?
Transistor biased in such a way that output gets less than 180 degrees.
Like that, 180 degree. Very good. So what is the accuracy of or what is the efficiency of class C amplifier? How much? कौन सांगेल?
90.
90 degree. Okay. What is the application of a class C amplifier? Shraddha Biradar.
Higher frequency.
Higher frequency. Shraddha.
Amplifier booster.
Okay. कौन सांगेल?
90%.
No, I am not about asking about the advantages or application. What is the application of class C amplifier?
Radio frequency.
Okay, it is used in a radio frequency. Very good. I think I have shared, I think 3 to 5 application. Only one application you are giving. What about other?
High frequency repeater circuit.
Aniket? Can you repeat, Aniket, what you have told now?
High frequency repeater.
Okay, high frequency repeater. Okay, frequency repeater, huh?
FM transistor.
FM?
Transmitter.
Transmitter, not a transistor, huh? Remember, okay, huh? Yes, Anki?
Amplifier.
Circuit.
Saga?
Window circuit.
Okay, tuned circuit. RF oscillator, right? AM receiver, FM receiver. कुठं कुठं वापरलं होतं? Okay, so what is the advantages of class C amplifier?
High efficiency.
कुठं?
High efficiency.
Okay, high efficiency, good.
Low power.
Low power.
Low power loss in transistor.
Low power loss in transistor. Okay, good. Okay. Deshmukh.
Yes, sir.
Simple circuitry.
Simple circuitry. Okay. Application of class. Advantages of class C amplifier.
Low cost.
Low cost. Okay.
High accuracy.
High accuracy. Okay. Okay. Disadvantages of class C amplifier.
Conduction time transistor base.
Good. Okay. Anki.
The output waveform can be heavily distorted.
Distorted. Okay.
Not useful for audio amplification.
It is not used in a audio amplifier. Good. Okay, so these are the whatever we have seen in a yesterday class. Okay, now yesterday we have finished the unit number 5th. Right, yesterday means last lecture, not talking about yesterday. Okay, so today we are going to start the unit number 6, that is a field effect transistor, that is our FET. Okay, so we have seen unit number 1. What is the name of that unit?
BJT.
What is the full form of BJT?
Bipolar junction
Bipolar
transistor.
Okay, bipolar junction transistor. Good. So here the name as a FET. Okay, now These are the syllabus of field effect transistor. Okay, so introduction part, in that what is meant by FET or field effect transistor. And second point is construction and working of FET.
Sir, only first slide is visible.
Just a minute, I will share it now again. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
What is visible? Syllabus. Yes, syllabus
Yes,
display.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. So first one, point of syllabus is here. The introduction. Introduction in that what is in by FET, how it's classified. We have to see here. After that, next point as a construction and working of FET. Here we have to see how it's work or construction of FET. We have to see here in this point. After that, we have to see JFET characteristics in that transfer, gain, drain. What is meant by JFET? Okay, we have to see. So what is meant by JFET? Can anybody knows? Okay, so JFET means junction field effect transistor. We have to see the characteristics. It is a type of FET. Okay, so JFET. So we see later in detail in this point. After that, Schottky equations. What is the mean by that, or how it's work? Okay, so we have to see next point, JFET biasing. So it is similar to the field effect, or it is similar to the BJT. So what is the how it's we have to bias, and it's DC load line analysis. Next point, JFET as a CV amplifier. म्हणजे काय? Okay, think on that and tell me. MOSFET, we have to see the MOSFET construction, working, VI characteristics of MOSFET. Okay, at different parameters, input, output, resistance, body effect, breakdown effect, temperature effect on a MOSFET. Okay, and after that we have to see the CMOS. That is the last point in that unit. Okay, that is CMOS. What is in by CMOS? We have to see in detail in this unit. Okay, these are the syllabus of unit number 6. Okay, so this is the last unit of ECAD, right? So here now the most important thing is, so in this chapter what we are going to study here? Here we have to study FET, ZFET, MOSFET, CMOS. We are going to study here. Okay, so these points are dependent on each other. If I go directly JFET biasing or MOSFET, it is a correlated to each other. So we have to see one by one in the syllabus. Okay, so first point is the introduction. So the questions comes in your mind. We have studied JFET, sorry, BJT. So what is the difference between BJT and FET?
BJT means bipolar junction transistor, whereas FET means, it is a type of unipolar junction transistor.
Very good. It is a unipolar device. You can call as a unipolar. So the bipolar means, what is meant by bipolar? Bipolar means there is a
More than one. More than one.
Not only two. Bi indicates that's the mean. Okay, two. There is a two polarity. Okay, so here field effect transistor, right? So it is a type of transistor. Okay, it is a category, or it is a category of under the transistor. So, okay, so in a field effect transistor, this is also 3-terminal device. If you compare with the BJT and FET, BJT also 3-terminal, FET also 3-terminal. The name of terminal in a BJT is
Base
Base
collector and
emitter.
emitter.
base,
Sir, correct.
base,
Collector and emitter.
Collector and
collector
emitter.
and emitter. Okay, so now in FET also 3-terminal, gate, drain and source. Remember, so this is also semiconductor device. Okay, so its operation is based on controlling input voltage. Okay, so if you see BJT, it is a dash control device,
Current controlled.
current control, and FET is a
Voltage control.
voltage control.
Voltage control.
Note down that point, okay, on whatever I have said here, right? So if sometime they ask in MCQ, what is FET is a dash device, so you have to mention here as a voltage controlled. or ते असं पण विचारतील FET is a voltage dash dash device, booster, control, limiter असं ऑप्शन येतील. तर काय आहे हे? इट इज अ
Voltage control device.
कंट्रोल्ड, लिमिटर नाही किंवा बूस्टर नाही. बूस्टर म्हणजे काय?
It boosts the power of
It's
source.
हा ओके. अँड इट्स आणि लिमिटर म्हणजे काय? इट्स लिमिट्स. नो, इट इज अ कंट्रोल्ड. ओके, सो लिमिट मीन्स एक रेंज असेल तेवढ्याच रेंज पर्यंत घेणार. इट इज कंट्रोल्ड डिवाइस. ओके, सो बाय अपेअरिंग ऑफ JFET as a and bipolar transistor are very similar as a FET. Okay, so it is a current control device, that is a BJT, right? So FET is a control as a input voltage. Okay, most commonly used that there are two types of FET are available. First one is a JFET, म्हणजे junction field effect transistor, and second one is a MOSFET. MOSFET, the full form is a M is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Okay, so the name as a MOSFET, or it is also called as IGFET. Okay, so why it is called as IGFET we see in detail at the point of construction. Okay, now first we see, this is the introductory part. Okay, now we see what is meant by FET. Okay, where are its working and its construction, how it's work. Okay, okay, let me share white screen. Okay, my screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is visible?
Whiteboard.
Whiteboard.
All right, good. So now first we see the working just now. Okay, so for that, so what is the definition of FET? काय है definition of FET?
A field effect transistor is a 3-terminal active semiconductor device where the output current is controlled by an electric generated by the input voltage.
Okay, good. Okay, so based on Deshmukh, according to the Deshmukh, so it is a unipolar junction 3-terminal device. आता जंक्शन किती आहेत यामध्ये? One junction. It is a unipolar. One junction and 3-terminal.
Terminals.
Okay, point note down ठेवा लक्ष सगळ्यांनी. Okay, it is a one junction and 3-terminal. 3-terminal. I'm okay. So this width of this we have to increase. Okay, now so F, what is this? My board is not working from morning. I don't know what happened. At morning I have taken the gate lecture, but at that time it same problem is happened. Still again this happened. So I don't know what is what happened here. Okay. Okay. I think we have to change the pin. Okay. Just a minute. F E T. Okay. So it is a one junction, 3 terminal
Unipolar device.
Okay, unipolar device. Okay, so and it is a semiconductor device which consists of gate, source, and drain, right? So this device is always activated in a reverse bias. Kasa? In a reverse bias condition. So that it is also called as a voltage control device. काय आता काय आहेत 3 पॉइंट काय आहेत महत्वाचे सांगा. FET काय आहे?
Unipolar device.
एक
And 3
जंक्शन
terminals.
एक जंक्शन आहे. युनिपोलर आहे. 3 टर्मिनल आहेत. असं तुम्ही पॉइंट नोट करा. सेमीकंडक्टर आहे आणि महत्वाची कंडिशन काय आहे? राईट. हे असे तुम्ही असे की पॉइंट काढून ठेव जा, तुम्हाला थोडं गेटच्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू सोपे जातील. ओके ओके. So now the FET is divided into mostly 2 types. First one is कुठला आहे?
JFET.
Okay, good. FET is divided into 2 types. Okay, first one is a JFET. Okay, first one कुठला सांगितलं तुम्हाला मी? JFET. And second one is
MOSFET.
MOSFET. MOS. Metal oxide semiconductor
Field effect transistor.
आता फुल फॉर्म विचारतात कधी मध्ये MCQ ला. मेटल ऑक्साइड सांगतात, डायइलेक्ट्रिक सांगतात किंवा कंडक्टिव्ह मटेरियल सांगतात. थोडा मॉडिफिकेशन असते, त्यामुळे तुम्ही तो पॉइंट लक्षात ठेवा. ओके, नाव द JFET is again divided into 2 types. That is N channel and P channel. Okay, what is the N channel, what is mean by P channel, we see later. Okay, and MOSFET is also again divided into 2 types. No, that is another point. Okay, so deflection MOSFET. So what is this, we see later in detail. Deflection type, this is based on construction. Okay, and enhance माझी पेन जरा चालत नाही, थोडं मी बोलणं त्याच्यावर लक्ष ठेवा. इन्हान्समेंट टाइप, डिफ्लेक्शन टाइप काय आहे आणि इन्हान्समेंट टाइप काय आहे ते आपण बघू. ओके, नाउ द डिफ्लेक्शन टाइप is again divided into 2 types. That is P channel and N channel. And this is enhanced type also again divided into 2 types. That is the P channel and N channel. Confuse ho naka. Okay, P channel and N channel. Okay, so now first FET is a one single or one junction field effect transistor. Okay, it is a unipolar device. It has 3 terminal, and it is
Semiconductor.
it is a semiconductor, and it acts
Always
as
in reverse bias.
reverse bias. Alright, and it is a voltage control device, right? Now, FET is divided into 2 types, mainly 2 types, JFET and MOSFET.
MOSFET.
Okay, so JFET is again divided into 2 types, that is N channel and P
P
channel.
channel.
Okay, MOSFET is again divided into subtype 2 types,
types.
that is
Two types.
deflection type and enhancement type.
Enhancement type.
Okay, so it is again deflection type is again subdivided into 2 types, that is P channel and N channel. Okay, and enhancement also P channel and N channel. So okay, now you have you have to remember this tree diagram. Which one is parent here in this
FET.
tree? FET. Okay, and JFET and FET as a MOSFET as a child, right? कुठली लँग्वेज आहे बरं हे? मी बोलतोय ते
Data structure.
Very good, data structure. Okay, when you remember the tree, the FET as a parent and JFET and MOSFET as a child. Okay, now if I consider JFET as a parent class, then his child is 2,
N channel and
N
P
channel
channel.
and P channel. So remember this way. Okay, सगळे सब्जेक्ट एकमेकाशी रिलेटेडच असतात. Okay, now so this is the classification of
FET.
FET. Good. Now we see the symbol. Okay, so of what is meant by FET and all that, right? We see one by one. Okay, so anyone want to say anything? If have anybody has any doubt, let me know. Because if you didn't get the first point, then you didn't get anything from the next point. So that's why if anybody has any doubt, you can ask directly. I can stop and I will come to your point if you have asked, if you have any doubt. But if doubt is there, but you still not asking, then it is a big mistake. Okay, so now I think I have with that construction. Just check. Let me check. Okay, so I think I have that diagram. Just I will stop the sharing and I will share the PPT again because there's no need to. Okay, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
काय दिसतंय?
Symbol.
PPT.
PPT मध्ये सिम्बॉल दिसतायत?
Yes.
ओके, सिम्बॉल ऑफ काय आहे टायटल त्याचं? सिम्बॉल ऑफ
Junction
gate FET.
ओके, फील्ड इफेक्ट ट्रान्झिस्टर. ओके, जंक्शन गेट्स म्हणू शकता तुम्ही त्याला किंवा JFET म्हणू शकता. ओके, बघा फर्स्ट काय आहे? सिम्बॉल आहे N चॅनल FET अँड P चॅनल FET. त्याच्या खाली त्याचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन पण दिलंय, दिसतंय का? My screen is visible to all guys.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See, okay, I use a spotlight, so you are habitual for that. Am I right? Okay. Sorry. Okay, so this is the symbol of कशाचा symbol आहे?
JFET.
JFET N channel.
N channel.
And this is a P channel. Okay, जसं की आपल्यात P टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर आणि N टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर होतं, ते आपण कशावरून कॉन्फिगरेशन केलं होतं? कन्स्ट्रक्शन मध्ये बघितलं होतं. जो कॉमन आला बेस साठी, बेस टर्मिनल मध्ये जो आहे त्याच्यावरून त्याचा जो ओव्हरलॅप होत होता, जो जंक्शन ओव्हरलॅप होत होता, त्यावरून त्याचं क्लासिफिकेशन केलं होतं. बरोबर आहे? हे 2 डायोड दाखवले आपण, राईट? आणि हा जेव्हा ओव्हरलॅप होतो असं जर समजा ओव्हरलॅप झाला, हा एक टर्मिनल, हा एक टर्मिनल आणि हा बेस टर्मिनल. बरोबर आहे? राईट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बघा, तो जो मटेरियल मधला जो होता त्याच्यावरून आपण क्लासिफाय केलं होतं. सो सेम हिअर ऑल्सो. See, if you observe the symbol of N channel, here the construction baga, gate terminal, it is a p-type material, right? Yes. आहे
Yes,
का?
sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके. आणि सोर्स जो मटेरियल आहे तो
N type.
N टाइप. मग मी काय सांगितलं होतं? इट इज अ वन जंक्शन. आठवते का तुम्हाला? जंक्शन किती आहे याच्यामध्ये? एक.
Only one.
आणि टर्मिनल किती आहेत?
3.
3. बरोबर आहे. मग आता जंक्शन दिसते का? एकच पी टाइप आणि एन टाइप मटेरियल
sir.
या दोघांमध्ये जंक्शन आहे. राईट. जो आता बघा या फर्स्ट सिम्बॉल मध्ये जो मॅक्झिमम आहे, मेजॉरिटी कशाची आहे इथे? पीट एन टाइप सबस्ट्रेट. त्यामुळे त्याला काय म्हणलंय?
N channel FET.
N channel FET. Okay, if you see in a P type, so majority is in the pentavalent,
P-type, sir.
right? That's the P type, right? So it's named as a P type. Okay, symbol, remember, if sorry, okay, if you see or if you observe the symbol, so the current direction of N channel is in
Towards the junction.
towards the junction. Okay, or the arrow indicates in on a gate terminal, right? Okay, so if the arrow indicates towards the junction, so that symbol is for
N channel.
N channel. Remember. आणि आपलं बीजीटी मध्ये कसं होत होतं? इफ arrow is towards the base, so that type of transistor is known as
PNP.
right.
Yes, sir.
Good. And if the arrow away from the base terminal, then it is called as
NPN.
a
NPN.
NPN.
So same here. If the arrow is towards the junction or towards the
Base.
Gate.
right, or source, okay, so it is called as a N channel. Okay,
N channel.
if it is away from the base or away from the source or gate, so it is called as the
P channel.
P
JFET.
channel.
Teacher.
Okay. So here in a P channel, the majority charge is pentavalent or
Pentavalent.
all right. Okay, so this is the construction and working. The construction is similar to the similar,
BGT.
right? But here only one junction. एकच जंक्शन आहे, दोन मटेरियल मध्येच आहे. आपल्या याच्यात कसं होतं? इथे एक मटेरियल, इथे वेगळा, इथे वेगळा, बरोबर आहे? त्यामुळे जंक्शन तिथे दोन तयार होऊ लागले. इथे किती जंक्शन तयार होत आहे? फक्त एक.
Only one.
Okay, so normally the transistor is in a current control device which is needs a current for biasing. हे कशासाठी म्हणतोय मी? It is a current control device and it is need for control device which is need to bias as a current. हे कशासाठी बोलतोय मी?
BJT.
Right. लक्षात राहू द्या. Now here in JFET, it is a
Voltage controlling device.
control device, right? So just we have seen that part. Okay, now, so what is meant by base, or what is meant by gate, or what is meant by source? Here we have to see one by one. Okay, so in a BZT, so what is the function, or what is the function of gate, or sorry, base?
To pass the charge carriers from emitter to collector.
Right, it is a mediator, right? You can call as a mediator. It is a key to pass the current or voltage from
Emitter to
Emitter
Emitter to collector.
emitter to collector. And What is the function of collector there?
That collect the charges which are
Right, it's collect the charges whatever we have received from the emitter.
Okay.
Right. So what is the function of emitter?
that
To
provide
emit the carriers.
Emits the charge carrier.
Very good. Why I am asking this? Because we have to do the study as a comparative study with BJT and FET.
FET.
So if you comparatively study, then you get more idea related to that. Now, here in a JFET, there is a 3 terminal. First one is a source, drain, and gate.
Gate.
Now, so here, what is the function of there? We have to see here. So source, it is a terminal through which majority carriers enter in the bar of source. That is denoted by yes. म्हणजे काय होते त्यामुळं which majority काय होते majority which majority carrier enter in the
circuit through
in the circuit or in the bar. म्हणजे काय आहे ओके आता कस कधी मेजॉरिटीच्या काम करते आणि कधी हे करते काम इट इज डिपेंड अपॉन द पी टाइप और सॉरी पी चॅनल और
N channel.
n channel. Okay, but in general definition, source it is a terminal through which majority carriers enter in the bar the source, right? In the bar काय करते मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कॅरियर एंटर होत आहेत त्याला काय म्हणायचं
Source.
Source.
आता इमिटर मध्ये पण काय होत होतं इमिटर सोर्स सारखंच फंक्शन करते का आपलं इमिटर तिकडे काय करते इट्स इमिट्स द चार्ज और सॉरी कलेक्टर व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ कलेक्टर इट्स कलेक्ट द चार्ज
Charge.
राइट मग इथे सोर्स काय करतो सोर्स फंक्शन इट मेजॉरिटी थ्रू विच मेजॉरिटी कॅरियर एंटर इन द बार कॅरी म्हणजे काय वाहून नेणे कॅरियर we have to see the carrier frequency have studied that
Yes, sir.
okay I am carrying my bag with me म्हणजे काय मी माझी बॅग माझ्या सोबत घेऊन जातोय म्हणजे मी काय करतो बॅग काय करतोय
Carry.
कॅरी सो इथं काय करते सोर्स काय करते मेजॉरिटी कॅरियर एंटर इन द
Circuit.
or bar. Okay, so now this is the function of source. Now drain, तर ड्रेनचं काय आहे ड्रेन काय करतंय इमिटर काय करत होता आपलं तिकडं
Emit the charge carrier.
एमिट द चार्ज ड्रेन काय करेल इथे डी it is a terminal through which majority carrier will leave the bar काय करते ते मेजॉरिटी चार्ज काय करते ते बारला बार
Leave
काय
कर.
लिव्ह करते सोडून टाकतात त्यांना ते म्हणजे तो काय करतो इमिटर सारखं फंक्शन काय इमिटर सारखं फंक्शन करतो इमिटर काय करत होता इट्स इमिट्स द चार्ज और कॅरियर और होल्स राइट इमिटर काय करत होता इट्स इमिट्स द चार्ज बरोबर आहे मग ड्रेन काय करतो इथे इट्स लिव्ह द मेजॉरिटी कॅरियर ऑफ द बार राइट समजते का काय म्हणतोय
Yes, sir.
and it is denoted by D and source is denoted by yes and gate is denoted by
G.
Z, right? Now आता तुम्हाला दोनचे फंक्शन समजले राइट मेन फंक्शन इज द गेट काय असेल बरं
It passes majority carriers from drain to source.
ओके बर आणखी
As in BJT we have the base for the current control device which control the current. So here the gate will control the voltage.
बर आणखी
Gate is the carrier which carries the positive charge from drain and passes to the source.
ओके गुड. ठीक आहे. बघा जे काय फंक्शन सांगितलंय ते तुम्ही बरोबर आहे. फक्त मी एक ऍडिशनल पॉइंट सांगतो त्यामध्ये. द गेट इज फर्स्ट हेवीली डोप्ड रीजन इन बोथ channel, right? So the both side of opposite channel bar heavily dope आहे त्यामध्ये. ओके. सो इट इज नोन ॲज द गेट. जो काही त्याचा पार्ट जो हेवीली डोप आहे त्याला काय करायचं, चार्ज म्हणायचं. ओके. अपोजिट साइड, बोथ साइड ऑफ अपोजिट ऑफ द बार. बघा एक जे आहे मटेरियल वापरलेलं पी टाईप, दोन्ही साइडला एकच टाईप मटेरियल आहे, बरोबर आहे का?
Yes, sir.
आणि तो काय आहे, कुठलाही मटेरियल असू द्या, एकच टाईप मटेरियल, राइट, इज नोन ॲज द गेट. देन गेट इज डिनोटेड बाय Z. सेम फंक्शन करते जे की आपलं बेस टर्मिनल करते. ओके, समजते का? इथपर्यंत कोणाला काय डाऊट आहे?
No, sir.
चला, we go through the quick revision whatever we have seen. So we have started the unit number 6, that is the field effect transistor, right? So after that we have discussed the syllabus. What is the syllabus in the unit number 6? Okay, after that we see the FET. So what is meant by FET?
FET is a unipolar device or semiconductor device. There are one junction and 3 terminal. It is a activated reverse by us. Therefore, it's called as voltage device.
Voltage control, voltage divider, voltage control device. Good. So FET is divided into, mainly divided into
Two types.
Two types. First one is
JFET.
what is meant by JFET? Full form stands for
Junction.
Field effect transistor.
Junction field effector transistor.
very good. So and another one is a
MOSFET.
MOSFET.
Metal oxide semiconductor.
Okay, so if you observe the syllabus, only we are studying two device, that is JFET and MOSFET. बघा, दिसते का सिलेबस?
No, sir.
ओके, जस्ट मिनिट. सिलेबसची साइड दिसते का बघा आता? दिसते का सिलेबसची साइड?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आपण FET मध्ये काय काय शिकणार? FET कसा डिवाइड झालाय? JFET आणि
MOSFET.
MOSFET मध्ये. ओके, आता पहिलं सिलेबस काय आहे बघा बरं. कन्स्ट्रक्शन अँड वर्किंग ऑफ FET म्हणजेच JFET ची कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. ओके, त्यातच डबल JFET ची बायसिंग बघितली आपण, बघणार आहे. हा सिलेबस सांगतोय. आणि दुसरा काय आहे टाइप आपला FET चा? MOSFET. सिलेबस मध्ये काय आहे? MOSFET कन्स्ट्रक्शन, वर्किंग, VI कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ MOSFET. म्हणजे आपण ऍक्च्युअल युनिट नंबर 6 मध्ये कोणते फक्त 2 कंपोनेंट शिकायलो. कुठले कुठले? JFET आणि MOSFET. ओके, तुम्ही कंपॅरेटिव्हली स्टडी करा. ओके, सो वी सी द ट्री डायग्राम ऑफ FET. FET is divided into two types, that is JFET and MOSFET. Okay, JFET is again divided into
Two types.
two types.
Types.
That is P channel
Channel and N channel.
N channel.
Okay, so MOSFET is divided into 3 types.
Two types.
Two types.
Two types. Ka? Bar.
Two types.
Which one?
Deflection type.
Deflection type and
Deflection and
enhancement type.
enhancement.
And enhancement. Very good. So deflection type is again divided into one type.
Two
Two
types.
types. sir.
Two types.
types.
Okay. कुठलं?
P
N
and N
channel.
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 Okay, and enhancement type is also again divided into two types. That is the P type and N type. After that we have seen
N channel.
Symbol.
symbol and construction. Symbol and construction of the
N
FET
channel.
or FET. Okay, so काय होते बघा सांगा त्यामध्ये FET चे कुठले कुठले टर्मिनल आहेत ते टर्मिनल आपण बघितले कुठले कुठले होते सांगा
Source, drain, gate. 3 terminal.
सोर्स काय असतो
Majority carrier entire the
एंटर
bar.
एंटर एंटर ENT हा एंटर म्हणजे आतमध्ये जाणे एंटर द बार
In a bar.
ओके सो इट इज डिनोटेड बाय
Yes.
yes another terminal is a
Drain.
Drain.
drain so what is the function of drain
It is a terminal
Majority
through
carrier
which
will leave the
majority
path.
majority carrier will
leave
Leave the path of
leave
bar.
the bar okay so it is denoted by
D.
D.
D right so if I consider the current according related to the D so how I indicate that आपण बेस करंट कसा इंडिकेट करत होतो
IB.
मग इथे मी ड्रेनचा करंट कसा इंडिकेट करणार आहे
ID.
ID good so after that we have seen gate what is the
Gate.
function of gate
It is heavily doped up, both sides are opposite to bar.
right it is both side is opposite to the bar is known as the gate very good so now we have to see tomorrow's lecture in tomorrow's lecture characteristics and working of FET working of FET okay so whatever we have seen whatever we have covered the point till today in the unit number 6 if anybody has any doubt let me know आहे का कुणाला
No, sir.
No, sir.
okay so we wait for a minute if anybody has any doubt let me know and all other students I request put the message in chat box or enter your roll number in chat box so I can catch the attendance from chat box we wait for a minute if anybody has any doubt let me know
Hello, sir.
yes bola
Sir, in FET, source is just like emitter and drain is like collector.
what काय म्हणताय तुम्ही
Source is like emitter, sir, and drain is like collector.
source is like a
Emitter.
good I already told you right source is like a function is like as a emitter right and
Drain is like collector.
drain is like a
Collector.
काय वाटतं तुम्हाला
Yes,
But
sir.
the electricity carriers enter in the bar in source, so it should be analogous to collector.
yes आता ज्यांनी आधी कोण होतं कोण विचारला होता क्वेश्चन पहिलेचा
Miss.
ओके अंजली तुम्ही अपोजिट सांगताय ओके बघा आपल्याकडे तिथे सोर्स काय करत होता सॉरी इमिटर काय करत होता तिथे अंजली इमिटर काय करत होता बीजेटी मध्ये
Emits the
इमिट्स करत होता आणि मग इथे इमिट कोण करताय
Drain.
ड्रेन करताय
yes, sir. Yes. Now I got.
ओके राईट गुड क्वेश्चन व्हेरी नाईस क्वेश्चन समजलं ना आता काय होतंय ते
Yes, sir.
ओके आणखी कोणाला डाऊट व्हेरी गुड Anyone has any doubt now? If anybody has any doubt, let me know.
No, sir.
Okay, so just to wait, I will take the attendance. And I have uploaded all study material related in whatever we have covered till today in a study material. Please refer that and do the study. Okay, this is very important subject. Just a minute, I'm taking the attendance. If anybody has any doubt, you can ask me. I wait for a minute, then we stop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 24, 25 is there. Ashwini Puri is absent. 26, 20. If anybody has any doubt, please let me know. It is 344 absent. Fifty, 51, 52 absent. 51, 52. Sixty-three, 64 आहेत का? 64 absent. Okay, we stop here. Thank you so much. Don't leave the meeting. Some announcement from my side, so wait for a minute. Thank you. Have a nice day.